Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about the time and tense. Okay, so we have been learning the words, you have been hearing the words like time and tense, like present time or present tense or future time or future tense. So what is the time and tense? That is what we are going to learn in this video. Okay, before that let me ask you one question. Do you know what is a person's weakness? What is a person's weakness? Not one person's, every person's weakness. Yes, what it may be. Yes, if they are walking slow, is that is their weakness? No. Giving up is the a person's weakness. The person's weakness lies in giving up only. So when you want something to achieve, you should not give up. Remember that if you give up, that you won't be succeed in your life. Okay, always you need to try one more time. So what is the rule? What is the way to get success? Yes, to try one more time. If you fail for first time, you need to try one more time. So that is your strength only. You always have your potential, you have towards the success only. Okay, so this is what is just a short thought I wanted to tell you. Let's start our class. Okay, so what we are going to learn today, I said, yes, time and tense only. So what is the meaning of time? Yes, it may be that right, morning, evening or night. These are the time duration. Am I right? These are the day's time. Okay. So when we are talking something, no, when will you come? Okay, I will come in the evening. Okay, I will come. I came yesterday itself. So when we are talking about that time, that refers to only the time. So time we know already, right? When we are talking about our daily routine, what we are going to do, what we have done already. So about those things when we are talking, we express in a time only. With the help of the time, we express those events. Okay, and here times are divided into three types. Times are divided into three types. What are they? Yes, they are present time, past time and future time. I repeat again, present time, past time and future time. So here the time is based upon these three only. So whenever we are talking about our daily routine, we talk about based upon this timing only. Okay, it may be the present or past or the future. So let's learn about the present time first. So what do you mean by the present time? Do you remember I have been telling you about the present, past and future tense, future time in the previous videos? Yes, what is the present time? Yes, present time means the events or the action which is happening now. The events or action which is happening now, it is called the present time. Example, see here I have written the examples. So example for the present time event will be I eat lunch. I eat lunch. So I eat lunch is the present time only. Let's talk about the present time only. So always I eat lunch. Always. Okay, I eat lunch always. So daily I am eating the lunch only. So those things I can talk with the help of the present time. Okay. So what about the one more example I have written? Yes, I am eating lunch. I am eating lunch. So I am eating lunch. What are you doing now? I am eating lunch. So when I am using I am eating lunch it means I am talking about the present time. So what do you understand by the word by the word present time? Yes, the actions or the events. Events is nothing but the action only. Okay, which is happening now. Okay, which is happening now is the present time. So whenever if someone is asking you what is present time, what do you need to say? Yes, present time is nothing but the event or the action which is happening now. Example, what I am doing now? I am teaching. I am teaching is the present time only. What are you doing? You are listening, right? You are listening is also the present time only. I hope you are clear with the present time. In Tamil we can say that நிகழ்காலம். Okay, இப்போ என்ன நடந்துட்டு இருக்கோ, இப்போ நடந்துட்டு இருக்குறது தான் நம்ம வந்து present time சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so let's learn about the second type, that is past time. What is that? Past time. So what is the past time? The event or the action which was happened already. Which has happened already. ஒரு thing ஒரு action already முடிஞ்சிடுச்சு means that is the past time. the past time event only. Okay, let's learn with example. I ate lunch. I ate lunch. It means what? நான் lunch சாப்பிட்டேன். நான் lunch சாப்பிட்டேன். So the thing that I'm telling that I already ate my lunch. I already ate my lunch. So that does mean that I ate my lunch already. It means eating lunch has been already completed. That action has already completed only. So when we are talking about the action which is already completed, that is the past time event only. Past time. Remember the keyword, that is happened already. The action which was already happened already or completed already, and we are talking about it means that is the past time event. I ate lunch. நான் lunch சாப்பிட்டேன். I drank water. நான் தண்ணி already குடிச்சிட்டேன். Okay. I was walking on the ground yesterday. I was walking on the ground yesterday. நான் நேத்திக்கு groundல வந்து நடந்து போயிட்டு இருந்தேன். I was playing in the ground. நான் நேத்திக்கு வந்து play பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். So when we are talking about the event or the action which was already happened, that refers to yes, past time event only. Okay children? Okay, let's learn about the last time, that is the future time. So the word itself we know future means edirkalam, the action or the thing which is going to be happen, which will happen in the future, which will happen in the future, which is not happening now or which is not already happened. Okay, ஒரு thing or action இப்ப நடக்கல. Okay, which is not happening now or which is not already happened, அது வந்து முன்னாடி happening ஆகல, which is going to be happen, அது நடக்க போகுது. When we are talking about the thing or the action which is going to be happen, that refers to future only. Okay, if the action is already completed means it's referred to the past time, which is going to be happen means that refers to future. ஒரு action வந்து இதுக்கு மேல நடக்க போகுது, நாளைக்கு நடக்க போகுது, இல்ல இதுக்கு மேல தான் நடக்க போகுதுனா that will be called as future time only. Let's learn with example. I will eat lunch. I will eat lunch. It means what? நான் lunch சாப்பிடுவேன். Okay, எப்ப சாப்பிடுவேன் எனக்கு தெரியல, நான் சாப்பிடுவேன் அப்புறமா சாப்பிடுவேன். So it means what? I'm not eating lunch now. I have not already eat my lunch now. I am going to eat my lunch, but afterwards only, not now. In the future, it may be after 3 hours or after 2 hours. So it depends. So when we are talking about the action or the event which is going to be happen, that is referred to the future time only. One more example I can say that I will go to school tomorrow. I will go to school tomorrow. நாளைக்கு நான் வந்து ஸ்கூலுக்கு போவேன். So when we are talking about the future like tomorrow or afterwards, no, then we can use the future time. Okay children, I hope you are clear with this time. So how many times we have learned? Yes, they are present time, past time and future time. So now we have learned about the time. What about the word tense stand for? Tense, you can see here I have written the topic time and tense. We have learned about the time and what is that meaning of the tense? Yes, tense is nothing but it is the verb form of the present, past and future. See all the present time and past time, it has the verb form. Verb means what? Action words only, am I right? So eat, drink, play, jog, walk, talk, all the verbs only. But the present and past have the different forms of verbs and that verbs are called as tense only. Okay, see here the verb I eat, here eat is the tense, present tense only. So see the difference. Eat is the present time verb and here when I see the verb form for the past, it will differ. See ate. So ate is the present tense verb only. Okay. So when I am saying he eats, for he eats lunch. He eats lunch. That eat will come with adding yes only. So that eats will be referred to the present tense only. So what is present tense? Sorry, what is tense? Tense means verb form. Remember that tense means verb form. It is the verb form of present and also the past. What about future? Does the future tense has any different kind of forms? No, but it will always comes with the will only. When we are talking about the future tense, future verbs, future time, we used to add the will after the verbs only. Okay, sorry, before the verbs. So see here, the verb is eat. Before the verb I need to use will to refer to the future time, to talk about the future time. So what is tense, children? Yes, the verb form. See the verb form. There are different verb form for present and past. So those forms we can say the tense only. So tense stand for the verb forms only. And what is time? It's talk about the daily routine, like present time, which happen in which time, time expression, like present, past or future. So I hope you are clear with this topic, children. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank